Hi students, good morning. Have a nice day. I am very happy to meet you again after a week. Are you ready for today's class? In today's class, we are going to see classwork and book exercise of the people upstairs. The name of the poem, The People Upstairs. Students, now we will write classwork. Take your English classwork note and needed things. At first, you write index with date. After that, you come to where you have to write. You have to come there. Unit 2, poem The People Upstairs. What is the classwork topic today? The people upstairs. In previous class, we have seen the people upstairs. Now we will write classwork. You write in your classwork note Unit 2, poem The People Upstairs in black stick. Then write date in the corner. What is the first Roman? Yes, the first Roman is new words. You write new words. How many new words we have written? 5. You leave space between two words. The first word is bowling alley, conducted tours, boho sticks, abats and upstairs. These are the new words. These 5 words we have learnt from the poem. One second, I will tell you. Bowling alley, conducted tours, boho sticks, abats, upstairs. You write in your classwork note neatly, leave space between the words. After writing first Roman, you can draw a line. Bowling alley, conducted tours, boho sticks, abats, upstairs. Say with me. Bowling alley, conducted tours, boho sticks, abats, upstairs. These are the new words from the people upstairs. Now we see the meaning of the new words. Bowling alley. Bowling alley means a long narrow area for bowling. Second one, conducted tours, guided tours. What is the meaning? Guided tours. Boho sticks, sticks on which one bounces up and down. Boho sticks means sticks on which one bounces up and down. If you look the book, you will see some images. Then you will understand the meaning of the new words. Abats means becomes less noisy. Abats means becomes less noisy. Students, after writing first Roman, you can draw the line. Look at the picture I have drawn with 2 lines. You have to do like that. Next, we will see question answer. Second Roman, answer the following questions. You write in black stick, then leave one space, then write questions. Questions are in the page number 35 in your English book. So you see and write clearly, avoid spelling mistakes. Whenever you write in the classwork note, spell and write. How to write? Spell and write. Write in proper cursive. According to the poet, first question. According to the poet, which 2 activities do the people upstairs enjoy doing? We saw the poem now. In the poem, according to the poet, which 2 activities? What is the question? Which 2 activities do the people upstairs enjoy doing? So what are the 2 activities? Answer. See, I have written answer. You write answer in black, then leave some space, then start to write. Write in blue stick pen. Answer is the people upstairs enjoy doing skating and throwing parties. skating and throwing parties. Here I didn't write it properly. You have to write properly. Throwing parties. THROWING. I forgot, but you write correctly. Throwing parties. The people upstairs enjoy doing skating and throwing parties. So these are the two activities the people enjoy. So this is the first question. After writing first question, you can draw a line. Students, read with me. First I read the question. According to the poet. Students, say with me. According to the poet, which two activities do the people upstairs enjoy doing? Answer is, the people upstairs enjoy doing skating and throwing parties. Throwing, THROWING. Throwing parties. So you write T properly. After writing first question, you draw the line with scale, with using scale. Second question, how do they encourage their friends to be as noisy as they are? How do they encourage their friends to be as noisy as they are? Answer is, they encourage their friends by throwing parties and serving their guests with pogo sticks. Students, read with me. How do they encourage their friends to be as noisy as they are? They encourage. Answer is, they encourage. Read with me. They encourage their friends by throwing parties. By throwing parties and serving their guests with pogo sticks. Question write in black, answer write in blue. Third question. Which two phrases tell you that their party goes on for a long time? Answer is, already I have told you, questions are in the book, page number 35. Third question, which two phrases? That means you have to write poem lines. Lines that their party goes on for a long time. Answer is, they celebrate weekends all the weeks. They celebrate weekends all the weeks. You can write one phrases from the poem, it's enough. They celebrate weekends all the week. This line tells us they celebrate weekends all the weeks. Long time. So which line tell you that their party goes on for a long time means they celebrate weekends all the week. Next, fourth question and also last question. Why does the poet want them to move to another floor? Why does the poet want them to move to another floor? Answer is, the poet wants to move them to another floor because they make so much noise and waste a lot of water. Answer is, the poet wants to move them to another floor because they make so much noise and waste a lot of water. This is the answer. Students, 5 new words and 4 question and answers. Write as a classwork. In the WhatsApp group, I sent the images also. You can see and write easily. When you write classwork, you write neatly. Already handwriting competition had been conducted. So there you have participated well. In the classroom also you have to write neatly. The poet, answer is, the poet wants to move them to another floor because they make so much noisy and waste a lot of water. Students, this classwork we consider as a reading part also. So once again I read, you have to read with me. Second question, how do they encourage their friends to be as noisy as they are? Read with me. How do they encourage their friends to be as noisy as they are? They encourage their friends by throwing parties and serving their guests with bogo sticks. How to spell? Serving their guests with bogo sticks. Third question. Which two phrases tell you that their party goes on for a long time? You can write one phrase, it is enough. Answer is they celebrate. Students say they celebrate weekends all the weeks. Fourth question. Why does the poet want them to move to another floor? The poet wants to move them. Say the poet wants to move them to another floor because they make so much noise and waste a lot of water. New words: bowling alley. Second one, conducted tours. Third one, boho sticks. Fourth one, abbots. Fifth one, upstairs. First question. According to the poet, which two activities do the people upstairs enjoy doing? The people upstairs enjoy doing skating and throwing parties. THROWING, throwing parties. Students, now we have done classwork and also completed reading part. Next, we will move on. Book exercise, page number 36 and 37. Next, take your English book, page number 36 and 37. We will do book exercise of the people upstairs. Students, next we do book exercise of the people upstairs. This is in page number 36. The first exercise, vocabulary, words as nouns and verbs. The topic is words as nouns and verbs. It is in page number 36 in your course book. Some words are pronounced the same but spelled differently. They also have different functions in a sentence. Students, some words are pronounced the same. Example, practice. See the red color words. PRACTICE. PRACTICE, one word. PRACTISE, one word. Look at the words. Words are pronounced the same but spelled differently. Did you listen? See, CE, end of the word. CE, one word. Another one word. SE, ends with SE. Ends with CE, ends with SC. Spelled differently but words are pronounced the same. Have meaning. So they also have different functions in a sentence. If we write one sentence, in verb place we should write verb word alone. In noun place we should write noun word only. Let's see the example. We need a lot of practice. Noun. I will practice before the performance. That is verb. In the first sentence, practice as a noun. Practice comes as a noun. In the second sentence, practice comes as a verb. That CESE only different. If the word ends with CE, noun. That means you have to use that word in noun place. Next, SCE, that is verb, so you have to use that word in verb place of a sentence. We need a lot of practice. I will practice before the performance. So like that we have some examples. We will see one by one, then you will understand easily. Before we see some examples or exercise, you also doing the same things. For example, if you have any homework means practice well. But I have watched many times you have written practice well, PRACTICEVELL. Practice well, you have written many times, I have watched. That is wrong. So hereafter when you write practice well, the practice comes as a verb. So as a verb means you have to write SE. Practice well. Practice well. Chapter number 15. Practice well. Chapter number 18. So for that and all you have to write SE. If you write CE, CE means what? If you write PRACTICE, if you write practice well, that is wrong, because there verb only should come. So hereafter you write practice well, PRACTICE. Practice well. I have practice match. In that place you have to write CE, because that practice as a noun comes as a noun. So next, read these sentences. Write if the underlined words are nouns or verbs. Read these sentences. Write if the underlined words are nouns or verbs. Let me tell you the shortcut. This is the shortcut only, but you should not understand like this. What is the shortcut? If the word ends with SED, maximum if the word ends ED, we consider as a verb. So if the word ends with ED, SED, you consider as a verb. The another word as a noun. Clear? This is the shortcut method. You keep it in your mind, but you should not tell if the word ends with SED. So I am telling the verb. If the word doesn't ends with SED, so this is the noun. You should not like that. This is a shortcut method. Keep in your mind. So if the word comes in verb place, we consider as a verb. If the word comes in noun place, we consider as a noun. Let's see some examples. Let's see some examples. Read these sentences. Write if the underlined words are nouns or verbs. My teacher advised us to go to the playground. My teacher advised. Is this noun or verb? You have to write. If it is noun, you have to write here noun. If it is verb, you have to write verb. My teacher advised us to go to the playground. So advised. If the word ends with SED, so this is verb. So you write verb, VE or B, verb. For the first sentence, answer is verb. Second one, thanks for your advice. That is noun. So you write NOUN, noun. Very simple. Advice in the first sentence, that is action. In the second sentence, advice is noun. In the second sentence, advice is not a verb, is a noun. My mother devised a method to feed the cat. In the third sentence, the device is a plan. So my mother planned a method to feed the cat. Fourth sentence, he liked to play with complex devices, that is machine tools like that. So in the third sentence, device as a verb. In fourth sentence, device noun. Asha's driving license will expire in month. So Asha's driving license. So this license is not an action word. This is a noun. CE. They were licensed to sell ice cream at the shop. So in the sixth sentence, licensed is a verb. So shortly we will keep in our mind, if the word ends with sed, verb. If the word ends with ce, this is noun. So students, I hope you understand words as a noun and verb. So hereafter when you write some sentences, use correct word as a verb as a noun. Let's move on. Next exercise. Look at the phrase if only in the last line of the poem. It expresses a wish, a longing for something. It also implies a condition. Students, look at the phrase if only. In the poem, no, the last line ends with if only they lived on another floor. So that means what? A wish, it is not happening. So this is a wish, a longing for something, longing. So the poet Vishnu, if only they lived on another floor, I might love the people upstairs more. That means what? His wish and he is longing for something. It's not happening. But his wish. So like that, you have some sentences. You have to write two examples with these words, if only. See, let's see some examples. If only I had more pocket money. If only I had more pocket money, I would spend more in the canteen. So this is the wish. It will not happen. This is the wish. A longing for something. Longing. Next sentence. If only I had another week, I would have prepared for the examinations better. That means what? You don't have time. If you had time, you would have prepared for this examination better. If only my sister loved traveling, we would have gone on holidays every year. So this is the wish. This is the longing for something. So like that, you have to write some sentences. I have written, if only I had more money, I would go to America. If only I had time, I would come on your birthday party. Like that only. If only I have English books, I would study. So like that, you have to write some examples. You write your own examples. If only I had drawing books, I would draw. If only I had good friends, I would learn many things. These are the examples. You write your wish. You write your own sentences. Next, move on. Next page. Page number 37. Next exercise, dictionary skills. This is in page number 37. Topic is dictionary skills. French words. Read these lines. The people upstairs are practice ballet. This lines is from poem. The people upstairs. The people upstairs all practice ballet. Ballet is a French word. Over the years, the English language has borrowed a number of words and expressions from French. Ballet is a French word. It is not an English word. It is a French word. Over the years, the English language has borrowed a number of words and expressions from French. Not only French, from many countries, the English language has borrowed a number of words. Even in Tamil, the English language has borrowed catamaran, coolie, mango. So not only French, but also many languages, the English language has borrowed a number of words. Check each word in a dictionary and write its meaning. Students, these four words are from French. Just English language has borrowed these words from French. Now we will see the meaning of this word. Adieu. Adieu. What is the meaning? Good boy. Right? Good boy. A la catty Meaning is order of separate food item. Bon appetit, good appetite. Bon voyage, good luck, good boy, wish, like that. Next, my word bank. Write the new words that you have learnt in this poem. Write the new words that you have learnt in this poem. Students, in class work, new words we have written on the 5 new words. So, the 5 new words you can write here. Students, book bag exercise and class work have been completed here. Next, we will see the handwriting. Hi students, it's a time for writing. Take needed things. When you write handwriting, write slowly, concentrate on writing. Students, you have some doubts. Daily, do we want to write handwriting or not? Yes, you have to write handwriting daily 5 lines with the dates.